Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch TIA-B09. First, you'll want to download the Huawei Health app from your phone's App Store. Once installed, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Open the Huawei Health app, tap on the Devices tab, and then select Add Device. Your phone will search for nearby devices. When your watch appears, tap on it and confirm the pairing request on both your watch and phone. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, always ensure your watch has at least 20% battery life. Next, try restarting both your smartphone and your Huawei watch. Sometimes, a quick reboot can resolve minor glitches. Also, double-check that the Huawei Health app has all the required permissions enabled in your phone settings. Finally, make sure both your phone's operating system and the Huawei Health app are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. With your kit uploaded, navigate to the Installed Kits tab. The first crucial step is to import the global site settings. This applies the kit's fonts, colors, and overall styling across your entire website. After that, you can selectively import individual page templates, such as your Home, About, or Services pages. You might import 5 to 10 pages, depending on your site's needs. To ensure a stable and continuous connection with your Huawei Watch TIA-B09, a few practices are helpful. Always keep the Huawei Health app running in the background on your smartphone. Closing it might disrupt the connection. Try to keep your watch and phone within a range of about 10 meters for the best signal. Regularly check for and install updates for both the Huawei Health app and your watch's firmware, as these often include connectivity improvements. Lastly, remember to charge your watch consistently to prevent any unexpected disconnections.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.